Hey y'all, so for today, gonna be doing a oil change. As you can see, I just parked it on the side, so I'll have more space. I already know everything what to do. Just one thing, I don't know where the oil filter is. I looked on photos and stuff, but now when I look under my car, I don't see anything. I know on the non-VTEC versions it's over here, and yeah, I got stitches, by the way. But since I have VTEC, I don't really know where it is. I'm looking, still I don't find it. I can't find it, I mean. But I'll keep looking, and I'll update you. If not, I guess I'll just do the oil like this. I have everything already. I went to buy all the supplies. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's gonna be quick unless the oil drain plug is gonna make trouble, which I don't think it is. It looks in good condition down there. So yeah, let's get to it. Find the filter eventually. It's right down there, up a little bit if you look. Yeah, it's somewhere up there. I don't know if you can get it, actually. It's pretty damn hard looking spot. Maybe I can find it from here. Yeah, you can see it just a little bit. Yeah, the white thing poking there, you can see. No, can't even see from the center. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So I'm gonna try and drain the oil and try to take this filter out. If I can't, oh well. So yeah, keep you updated. Okay, so this was easy, but the oil was a little hot, so I had to be careful with it. Pretty much it. Gonna wait for it to drain. Gonna put the new one in. Oh, and forgot to take the oil cap. Doesn't look too hard actually. It's first time I'm doing this car. I did it before one time already on my other car. Looks really easy on this one too. Shouldn't be a problem at all. Only problem would be the oil pan, the oil filter, I mean. That's it pretty much. Just gonna wait for it to drain. Gonna let the oil drip all the way, because the oil filter is right above it. So I'll wait a little bit. I'll put the plug back in, and I'll try to take the filter out, and that would be it. Only fill the new oil in. That's it. And by the way, picked up this oil. What do you guys say about it? Because I don't know. It was pretty cheap. It's what I needed. Synthetic 5W30. High mileage, which is my car has my high mileage, so that's also good. Keep in mind I'm doing this job with a stitch thumb, so it's pretty hard, and I did so far what I did, it took me 5 to 10 minutes. The oil filter I guess will take me another 5 to 10, and that would be it. That was the hard part. Yeah, car forward a little bit, just enough so I won't be laying on the oil, because I forgot the towels. By the way, when you're doing oil change, never wear clothes that you care of. Like, I'm wearing some shitty shirt with work pants. So I don't really give a fuck. Just throw them back in the washer and that's it. Maybe I'll try and show you the filter. See the filter there? The white thingy. I'm gonna have to change it, but I barely have any space here. So yeah, I'm gonna try and change it. Okay, so the old oil filter is out. I'm all soaked because I landed right on the. I was laying right on the. That's why I told you never take shirts that you kill off. Now it's time to fill her up. So I finally finished after a lot of measuring and stuff, so the oil will be exactly where it is. Supposed to give it to start it up for around 30 seconds or so and then turn it off. Yeah, so for now I just rolled it back and look at all the mess I did. So yeah, let's turn it on. Oil filter is changed, oil is changed. Just turning it on now. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, what? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Everything looked really good. I don't see any problem. I checked under already, and there's no leaks or anything, so we're done. That's pretty much it. First time was pretty good. Took me some time because, as you can see, I don't have the right tools, and I got all messed up with this oil. I have to take a bath. That's pretty much it. Too strong. Okay, so yeah, see you guys, man.